Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for May 22nd, 2024. You're looking at a daily and a 4-hour chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So what do we are still actually below 5350. We are not able to break this. It's been a 5 days now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are stuck in this range. We're stuck in this narrow range. And I thought for brief moment that we actually might see some sell side activity and some follow through going to the downside, but that actually never materialized. And so what happened is that as early as 9 o'clock this morning, it was telling us that there are actually more sellers than buyers here, and uh, our sentiment has changed, and so we are looking for short trades only, meaning we're looking for sell side trades only. And the first thing in the morning, so let me just bring up a 5-minute chart so you can see what was going on. So first thing in the morning, at 9:30, this market actually goes up, but we knew we wanted to avoid this because you're fighting a 4-hour chart. And so anytime when the 4-hour is in one direction, you want to match that. And so we avoided this actually. And even if you took the trade, look at how frustrating it would have been. It just goes up, comes back down. I mean, price was not going anywhere. And we knew that's mainly because the 4-hour is putting in this bearish sign, and there are actually more sellers than buyers in this market. And so better trade came in. Actually, this is close to this was a trade actually, but you're so close to 50 in a 200 period moving average, and everything is flat. And anytime when you have something like that, you want to avoid that, and that's exactly what happened. Even if you had taken the trade right here, which was a valid trade actually, because you're going in the same direction as a 4-hour chart. But what happens is that then price immediately comes back after 15-20 minutes, and then it forces you to cover your position, and so that's not a good thing. So this was I think during the lunchtime, 9 to about 10:30. And at 10:30, then you had a one valid signal right here that you could have taken. I did not take this because we were so close to FOMC. It was 1:30, and FOMC minutes were being released at 11 o'clock. And so I did not want to take this trade because price could be all over the place, and it's uncertain. So all in all, we went down and we kind of came back up, and now we're waiting for, I think, unemployment number is coming out first thing in the morning at 8:30, and then the PMI numbers are coming out at about 10 o'clock. So we'll see what this market tells us first thing in the morning. But most importantly, the price has to close below the power and the signal line for it to tell us that this is actually confirming the pricing going to the downside. Similarly, like what happened here, were the daily kind of got bearish, and as soon as it left the zone right here, as you can see what happened. Similarly, we could see something like that could happen within next week or two, where the price actually could come back down and revisit 5200 before going to the upside. So upside target still remains the same. We are at 54.15, 55.40, and then 56.96. And then the downside target is still 5200 and 51.56. So we will see what the charts are telling us first thing in the morning, and then we will go from there. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, and I'll see you at the next update. Take care.